So today we're going to take a look at Shein affiliate program review. So let's take a look at the Shein affiliate program review. First things first, what you have to see is you basically earn from 10 to 20% per sale, and the cookie duration is 30 days. Now, what that means is when someone opens your link and they wait 27 days and go back to their website to Shein and then purchase a product which they initially found from you, you get a commission. But if they wait 31 days and go back to purchase the product, you don't get a commission. So that's just what it means. And this is for the countries North America, Europe, and Asia. So this is the countries of operation. You basically have here the URL, which we actually listed on our channel. You should check it out, by the way. That's pretty much about what you can say. This is the comparison of two brands. I think they have a solid brand, although I'm not quite liking this. I don't think anyone else has a, maybe, I don't know, like how long other platforms like Temu hold their cookie duration for. So it's something that you might want to check out. But this is the review of the Shein affiliate program.